Let's walk through the correct way to fill a small Ready Containment Water Bladder tank. We start by laying down the protective ground mat. This creates a clean, stable surface and helps extend the life of the bladder. Once the ground mat is in place, the water bladder is centered directly on top. Before filling, make sure both the vent and the inlet valves are open. This allows smooth water flow and helps the bladder expand evenly. Next, connect your garden hose to the inlet using the built-in hose bib. All small Ready Containment water bladders come equipped with 2 garden hose bibs, one for venting and one for filling or discharging, making setup quick and straightforward. Begin filling the bladder. As it expands, keep an eye on the shape and make sure it remains centered on the mat. Once the bladder reaches full capacity, turn off the hose, close the inlet valve, and then disconnect the hose. That's all it takes. Ready Containment water bladders are designed for simple, reliable operation, ideal for emergency water storage, remote sites, and everyday potable water needs.